Hey guys, Derek White here from TopEnhancementReviews.com, and today is my review of the Bathmate Hydromax X40. I saw my gains on the X30 when it was released, and I was excited to get my hands on the newer Hydromax X40 recently to review for you guys. Here's the original X30 model. So as I mentioned before, I saw my gains on the Bathmate Hydromax X30 in my hand right here about a year and a half ago now. But since then, the Bathmate has released a line of products that significantly improves on the shortcomings of previous generations models. So the next step in the line is the Bathmate X40, Hydromax X40. So the improvements with the X40. As compared to the X30, in my hand right here, the X40 is 15% bigger than its predecessor. This means that you can see even more gains in this pump before having to replace it if you want it to grow past that point. The X30 has a much improved gaiter than the Hydromax X30. It generates 35% more suction force, which provides you with better pressure, meaning faster gains. This is noticeable immediately during your first pump. And if you're familiar, this is the X30, their gaiter was small. And I found, it still works great. I still got my gains with it. But, when you pick it up, it can fall off easily and whatnot. So you really gotta keep an eye on it. With the improved X40 gaiter, you can see here, this is why it generates so much more suction. It has the same band wrapping around the Bathmate there. But you take it out, it's firm in there and it's long. So this thing cannot fall out. So put it in there, it generates about 35% more suction force. So they've improved the comfort ring system on the bottom, like I said, to eliminate any pinching that has occurred in previous models. This gives you a lot more comfort when you're wearing it for 20 minutes at a time. It's also removable for ease of cleaning, which is super handy. The new swivel system allows you to get a 360-degree angle on the Bathmate. As you can see here, you can twist this, there's no problem. You can twist it either way, 360 degrees, which is a very unique feature, while getting the same suction force. There's no air leakage in there. So depending if you're on the bath or in the shower using this thing, you can always see what's going on inside the pump. So they also have a couple cool more features, including a new valve system, which helps with the filling up and releasing pressure from when it's fully pumped. And they both have metric and imperial measurement systems on the actual tube. And like I said, the size has been increased in the tube to help you see an even better girth expansion. So you can see the Bathmate is the company Bathmate is extremely dedicated to, making their products better and better and helping you see gains. So if this is your first time looking into the Bathmate, I'll give you a quick rundown of how it works. You put your penis in here after filling the Bathmate up with warm water. Give it 1 or 2 pumps until it has a good suction on it. Note, it should never hurt. If it hurts, relieve some of the pressure with the valve at the top. You just have to press it like that and the pressure releases. Start off with about 5 minutes of suction per session during your first session, and slowly work up to no more than 20 minutes of suction per session over the course of 2 weeks. Now, if you do this for 3 to 6 months, you'll see a permanent 1 to 2 inch girth expansion and an equivalent length expansion. If you watch my previous videos, you'll see that I gained 1.5 inches in length with the Bathmate X30 and 1 inch in girth over the course of 6 months. So my initial reaction on the Bathmate Hydromax X40, when I pulled it out of the box, I was pretty stoked to see a number of immediately different visual improvements, quality made and quality tested. You have a better base ring here and better gaiter. When I first put this thing on, I noticed the actual amount of space that it had. It gives you more space around the shaft, so it has more potential to pull and give you a better suction for better gains, not to mention even more opportunity for size growth. And I would estimate you can gain another inch in girth and length using this newest model of the Bathmate. The pressure was really even, and it was significantly tighter than the X30, which means that I'm definitely going to be switching over to the Bathmate X40 for my penis enlargement maintenance routines. So the Bathmate X40 is definitely worth picking up. I definitely recommend checking it out. They have some significant improvements that are guaranteed to help you see higher quality and quicker size gains. I put a link to the official website below the video you can check out to get a discount on the new Bathmate X40. I would highly recommend you check it out. If you guys have any questions regarding the new Bathmate X40, make sure to leave a comment below the video, send me a private message on YouTube, or send me an email through my website and I'll get back to you within a week. So check out that link below the video. I'm Derek White from topenhancementreviews.com, and I will talk to you guys later.